We were halfway through a long convoy run, just another dusty stretch of nowhere under a blazing Afghan sun. No contact, no warning, just the low growl of engines, the smell of hot brakes and diesel. We were pushing 35, maybe 40 on that washed-out track, fast for a convoy. Then the lead truck blew a tire. 35 tons of up-armored steel at 40 miles an hour doesn't need a bomb to kill you. Momentum is a merciless bastard. It rolled 4 times. Metal screamed. 3 guys stacked inside, bleeding, broken, screaming. Half the unit's brand new individual trauma kits were buried or useless. I've never forgotten the kid in the gunner's turret. He got thrown 30 feet, landed on his back, femoral artery spurting like a garden hose. We had 37 seconds from the time the truck stopped moving until he would have been gone. 37 seconds. That's all the time the universe gave us. And most of the kits we had were worthless because of the exact 6 mistakes I'm about to lay out for you right now. Most trauma isn't from bullets. It's from gravity, chainsaws, car wrecks, and the 6 deadly mistakes most people are still making with their kits.
Mistake 1. Treating your individual trauma kit like a family first aid box. I still see expensive trauma pouches stuffed with Band-Aids, children's Tylenol, burn gel, and cartoon tape sitting right on top of the combat application tourniquet. That's not a trauma kit. That's a soccer mom kit pretending to be something it's not. Your trauma kit has one job: stop the stuff that kills you in the first 3 to 10 minutes. Everything else goes in a separate ouch pouch. My ankle rig carries comfort junk. My real trauma kit stays pure death prevention. Keep watching in a minute. I'm going to show you the one drill that instantly proves whether your pouch placement is life-saving or a death sentence. Mistake 2. Counterfeit or garbage gear. The fake combat application tourniquets on the market right now look perfect until you crank them, then the windlass snaps. Real combat application tourniquets from North American Rescue, TACMed, or Sam Medical take 7 or 8 turns before the metal even bends. Chest seals fall apart after a couple hot summers in a truck. Replace them regularly. $30 beats a funeral. Stick with me. Next, I'm going to show you exactly where to carry your tourniquet so you can actually reach it when your arm is broken and you've got 10 seconds left. Mistake 3. Accessibility. The one that kills more people than the bleeding itself. I run the same drill on every student. One arm broken, eyes closed. Get a combat application tourniquet on your own thigh in under 10 seconds. Most fail because the pouch is on the wrong side or still in the safe. Mounts that work: 10 to 11 o'clock belt line, ankle rig, flat trauma pouch above the belt. If you're digging while blood hits the ceiling, you lost. If you're tired of gabbling with counterfeit gear, hit the link in the description. Right now, my Suburban Prepper Amazon storefront. Real combat application tourniquets, real chest seals, real pressure bandages. Everything I actually trust with my family. Nothing fake. Ships fast. Click it. Load up. Stop rolling the dice. Mistake 4. The 1 or 2 tourniquets is enough. Delusion. I've used 3 combat application tourniquets on one guy. One high in the groin, one mid-thigh, one backup when the first slipped. I've also watched a dad at a car wreck try to stop 2 different bleeds on his 8-year-old daughter with only 1 tourniquet in the whole car. He ran out. She didn't make it to the hospital. Carry 2 on body, 2 in every vehicle, extra staged everywhere. My 10-year-old has 1 in her backpack because most schools still won't teach bleeding control. 4 limbs, multiple people, do the math. In about 60 seconds, I'm going to show you the one mistake that still makes me lose sleep at night and how to fix it in 12 minutes on your couch. Mistake 5. Ego. Thinking gear equals skill. I watched a guy with a $1,400 pouch stick a needle in the wrong side of a chest because a 30-second video told him to. Patient died in the pickup bed. Start with a Stop the Bleed class. Take a real tactical medicine course, then drill weekly until your kids smoke you. Don't miss the last mistake because I'm ripping open brand new gear to prove why factory packaging will get you killed. Mistake 6. Leaving everything sealed in factory packaging. Brand new combat application tourniquet still in plastic. Watch this. Rip it open, route strap hook, and loop grabs itself. That's 20 wasted seconds right there. Now here's a brand new chest seal. Tear open, test vents, fold tabs. These vents will not open when your hands are slick with blood unless you do this first. And the pressure bandage still vacuum sealed. Rip open, re-roll one-handed. 12 minutes on the couch tonight turns this pile of plastic into something that actually works when someone's dying in front of you tomorrow.
Real quick, drop a comment below and tell me this. What's the one piece of trauma gear sitting in your drawer right now that you've never practiced with? Tourniquet, chest seal, pressure bandage, call yourself out. Best answers get pinned. Dump your trauma kit on the kitchen table tonight. Fix every single one of these 6 mistakes before the sun comes up tomorrow, because when the world goes sideways, and it always does, you don't rise to the occasion. You fall back to the level of your training and the gear you can actually reach, be ready, or be too late. This is survival. This is resilience. This is Suburban Prepper.